Hello and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I will share some makeup tips that will surely give you new ideas on how you'll do your makeup next time, whether you're a beginner or pro. The easiest way to level up your makeup routine is to try applying your foundation before concealer. Think about it. Starting with a layer of foundation will help minimize any redness or discoloration, almost like you're creating a smooth base for the rest of your products. You can then go in with your concealer to spot treat any zits or remaining redness, and you'll end up using way less product in the process. Another plus: foundation before concealer is a genius fix for preventing caking and creasing. Blend foundation using fingers. The reason most people like this is that rubbing the foundation between your fingers helps to warm up the product so it blends better and melts into the skin. Fingers can get into spots a brush or sponge might not be able to, like the curves of your nose and between your eyebrows. It also gives you more control and uses fewer products than using a brush, which overall creates a more natural skin tone look. Just a reminder to wash and sanitize your hands before doing this. You don't always need to have a full face of makeup, especially for oily skin, where maintaining the foundation throughout the day is a hassle. Try to only spot conceal with concealer and put a bit on to hide your under eye circles. If your skin looks alright, tiny dabs of concealer are better than a full face of coverage and new texture you didn't need. On blending, use a lighter touch. Remember that you're dusting individual particles, not a single smear of contour, blush, bronzer, etc., and that when you do a light dusting instead of a forceful drag, you wind up with a nicer fade of the lines and shadows on your face. The best general motion for blending is brushing in a circular motion along the lines, which, along with a good brush, gives you more of an airbrushed, picturesque look. Setting spray. Spray setting spray in every step to make your makeup last longer and achieve an airbrushed look. Sadly, I can't recommend any setting spray, but avoid buying those over-expensive ones. Just the cheap ones are enough. The difference is not that big anyway. Repacking foundation tube. I just found out about this lately, and this is really genius. You can purchase this thing on Amazon. It's called rotating repacking pen. It allows you to easily control the direction of your liquid foundation, nail polish, and eye cream.